Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 2 science class. This chapter seasons and clothing, its text part we completed in those offline videos. Hope you all saw the video about the seasons and clothing. If you have any kind of problem, you can ask me on the online classes. Okay. So today we will start the exercise part of this chapter, seasons and clothing. So everyone take your book and open at page number 49. Page number 49. And take your copy book also with you. You have to write the answers. So let's start with question A. Question 1. A particular type of weather that remains for a month or two is called dash. So a particular type of weather that remains for a month or two is called option A season, option B year or option C summer. Here a particular type of weather, just here question is the particular type of weather, not it's mentioned that is it hot or is it cold or is it rainy. So that is season, because every season remains for a month or two or three. So the weather is the answer is option A season. Option A season, that is the correct answer. Next is question number 2. We have winter from dash every year. So we have winter from dash every year. So which times is the winter season? You know that now as the winter season, and it's held from December to February, not May. Here the option is December to May, option A, option B December to February, option C December to June. You know May, June, that's May is the month that is summer, June is the also summer and the timing of the rainy season also. So February is the correct answer. So answer is option B, December to February. December to February, that is your answer. Okay, so here we completed question A. Pick the correct answer. So first one is up, I am repeat it for you, just check your answer again. A particular type of weather that remains for a month or two is called season. And question 2, we have winter from every year, from dash to every year, that is December to February. Okay, hope you write those answers in your copy book. Now I have to erase and then go to the question number B, and that is circle the odd one. Circle the odd one. You know already, you did it many times, that here 3 words and you have to choose the odd answer which is not matching with others too. So that thing, see, fan, cooler and coat. Fan, cooler and coat. Question 1. So what will be the odd? And you have to know why that is odd. Fan and cooler, that those two things we use in summer season to keep us cool, right? Fan and cooler. But coat, this thing we wear in winter season to keep us warm. So coat is the Quote is the odd one. Next, tea, soft drink and coffee. Here also the same reason, tea and coffee we take in winter season and soft drink we take in the summer season mainly. So, tea and coffee are same but soft drink is odd. So, you have to circle here. Next is sweater, coat and umbrella. Sweater, coat and umbrella. So, sweater and coat we used in winter season, but umbrella we used only rainy season. So, that is odd one. Okay. So, we completed here the question number B. Okay. So, check the question here, coat, soft drink and umbrella, those are odd one. Okay. Next, go to the question number C. Okay, so today we just completed question A and question B, and the next day we will proceed for question number C. Okay, so till now you have to do only those two part of exercise, question A and question B. Okay, so read the chapter again with very attentively and practice this question A and question B, and next part question C we will proceed for your next class. That's all everyone. Have a nice day and bye.